na ako, gabi na eh.
I'm going home. It's already at night. I don't know what what to say.
Okay. But the usual Filipino will say, I'm going to go home already. Usually, Filipinos will use already at the end of a sentence. Kasi already at the end of the sentence means na.
Just like done.
Na. No,
No.
na. For example, I'm going to go home na. Get it?
Yeah, just like that. I just
na.
met someone.
Kaya, usual sa Pilipino ang magsabi ng already sa dulo. But in English, actually, we put the already in the middle of the sentence. Like you. Better if you say, it's already nighttime.
Okay.
It's already nighttime or it's already late.
Because like gabi na like it's already at night.
It's already at night? No, at night is wrong. If you say
Okay.
kailan, at night. But again, usually Filipinos will say already at the end because again, the translation is na. Gabi na eh.
Gabi na.
Gabi na.